Hello, I am Dr. Vidos Mahadev, faculty in Mechanical Engineering Department, SIRT Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the water jet machining. So let's start the today's topic. Simple, that is a water is utilized for the purpose of the machining. So that is machining, that means removal of the material from the workpiece. So that is used. So that is water in form of the jet is utilized for the machining purpose. So simple, that is a mechanical energy based on the non-traditional machining process used to cut and machine the soft and non-metallic material. Generally, that is a material used for the water jet machining, that is a soft in nature, and it is involve the high velocity water jet to smoothly cut the soft workpiece. It is similar to the abrasive jet machining. In water jet machining, high velocity water jet is allowed to strike a given workpiece. During this process, its kinetic energy is converted into pressure energy. So there is a generally a high pressure water you use, and that high pressure water you use through the nozzle that convert the kinetic and pressure energy of the water into kinetic energy. This induced the stress on the workpiece. When this induced stress is high enough, unwanted particle from the workpiece are automatically are removed. This one is one line diagram for the water jet machining. There is one reservoir which store the water, and through the pump, which in a pump is increase the pressure of the water. Then the intensifier is used to intensify the pressure of the water. After the intensified water is stored or accumulated in a accumulator, through which there is a through the control and the flow regulatory work, that water is used for the purpose of the cutting through the nozzle. That is the nozzle is convert the pressure energy of the water into kinetic energy simply. And the high velocity water is strike on the workpiece and cut or remove the material from the workpiece. So simple, that is a functioning of the water jet machining. This one is simple, that is a same function we already discussed. That is a water is generally used at the pressure between the 200 to 400 megapascal, and the pressurized water is sent to the accumulator, already discussed on this one. And the high velocity water jet produced by the nozzle, when this water jet strike on the workpiece and it cut the material, remove the material from the workpiece. And the advantage simple, that is a simple is a first one, that is water machining is a relatively fast process as compared to other machining process. It prevents the formation of the heat affected zone on the workpiece because the water is used. So that is there is no affected zone, heat affected zone is formed. It is automatically clean. Water is used to clean the surface of the workpiece. That is another advantage of this one water jet machining. And also the tolerance is an excellent precision work is performed by this process, and the tolerance in order of the plus minus 0.005 this can be obtained. It does not produce any hazard gases and it is eco-friendly. That is a advantages. Some limitation and or that is also disadvantage of this one, that is a that machining process is used only for the soft material, and very thick material cannot be easily machined with help of this water jet machining. And also that is a initial cost is our initial investment is very high due to the some use of the pump and the nozzle and the other things. High cutting speed are frequently used for the rough cutting purpose, which degraded the surface finish. Obvious that one is a, when used this one is which not provide the uh, good surface finish as compared to other machining process. Application generally that is used for the non-metallic sheets, and generally used for the soft material like the rubber, wood, ceramic, and other type of the material. It is used to machine the circuit board. Circuit board is very thin material sheets, which is cut with help of this water jet machining. It is also used for the food industry. Thank you.